What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in this video, finally after so long of wanting to get a new hood for my car, I finally got a new hood. So we're gonna be installing, me and my boy are gonna be installing the CERVINIS GT500 style hood from the 2020s, the GT500. So I'm gonna show you right now. Well, I'm not gonna show you the hood because I don't have it here. It's at my boy's house, but as you can see, no hood on the car, so I'm going to drive it to his house and we're gonna put the hood on. And I didn't really show how to take the hood off because it's super easy. Literally, the hood's little struts, mounts, whatever you want to call them. There's two 10mm bolts on both sides, so 4 bolts. And then on the hood where it latches right here, not even showing you where it latches right here, there's 2 more 10mm bolts on top of the hood, like when it latches down, and you just take those out and make sure you take the latch with you, because the new hood you have to reuse the old latch. So make sure you have the 4 bolts from the 2 on each side, 2 at the back of the hood where it mounts up to, and you're good. It's super simple to take the hood off and put the new one on. It's just repeating the process of what you did. And I do have hood struts, so since I'm going to be driving on the freeway tomorrow when I go to his house, I zip tied this one down to the side of the battery. You can't really see it, so it doesn't move. Then I zip tied that one down too, so they don't move. But yeah, like I said, tomorrow morning I'm going to be heading to his house and we're going to install it. But I mean, for you guys, it will be in a couple seconds after I'm done ranting. But yeah, I'm super excited for the hood. And with me supercharging the car, it's going to be nice having that big, like, when you see the hood, there'd be a big vent right here. So, you know, I'm excited for it. And, you know, see you guys in a second over at my boy's house when we're installing the hood. Well, here's a CERVINIS hood, but bad news is it's fucking damaged. I don't know if you can see that. Fucking shipping company damaged it, but fuck it, we still gonna run it and see what they say after.
This is music.
New phone, who this?
New phone, who this? No phone.
Does it like this?
Jeez. But hold on.
Yeah. I thought that was. I was wondering why you kept.
Nope.
I think you can move your hinge though. Like the actual. I'm pretty sure you can actually do the actual. I can't find it. I'm lost.
You're always lost.
I think you can slide this up if you have to, or slide it down. Yeah, you'll probably have to slide it down because if it's moving up and down, I think you just slide it down a little bit more and it should be good.
Yeah.
You know what I wonder if it would look cool? I wonder if it'll hold it.
hood.
It goes like right to the strut bar, huh?
Yeah.
Like I said, Dave, they put it on the engine and then close it. It's not too bad.
Not too bad.
You can get it like almost centered. Stay. Book it. Oh yeah.
Go. That's better. Now let's see the little rain piece. See if it actually fits.
Dude, with no freaking like vent, it looks so raw. Look at it like on camera, dude. It looks so crazy.
Sheesh.
It looks hella mean.
Sheesh.
I could see like a big ass turbo, twin turbos or some shit, and the exhaust coming out. That'd be fucking wild.
I'm interested to see how it looks with this on, if it will even freaking fit.
What's up, guys? Back on YouTube, about to suck my friend's cock. Huh?
Huh? Which ones do I use? CERVINIS. Because one of them's for the, I think that's probably for the rain.
They got locking nuts and stuff.
Yeah.
Bag full of nuts.
Test for you. I'm not putting the rain tray on.
Yeah, fuck that. That's for puss pops.
I was gonna fucking suck doing this.
Yeah, one person. It looks like it's probably just what, like plastic washer in the nut,
Yeah.
or possibly not even that. It might just be the nut. Nah, it looks like it needs a washer. Pretty sure it's on the strut bar that it's hitting, but it's hard to tell. It might just be hardware, but
It's hard to see.
it does look good as hell though. It makes it look hella mean, and it has like a nice like cowl to it too.
Yeah. Let's see when you sit in it.
It definitely looks sick as hell.
It's hella big. Compared to like stock, the cow is hella big.
I'm pretty sure it's hard to tell. I think
it
It's-
might be hitting right here.
like this.
I wish there was a way we can tell.
We can get some mustard and just put some mustard.
Mustard on the beat. Fucking mustard. And I'll say one thing with this hood with the little vent in it, they give you these closed end freaking nuts for it, and they don't really, if you're not running the rain guard, they don't fit correct. So all we do is go to Lowe's and get some like nylon locking open end nuts. So a lot better. I definitely recommend that if you don't want to run the rain guard, because the little rain tray, you have to have it on here for these closed end ones to fit right, because with the washers that they give you, it doesn't go all the way up, because these don't go all the way up since they're closed end. But yeah, pretty much that's it, and like super clean. Get this painted gloss black, and the only thing that sucks is the damage right here. But I'm gonna see what they say. They're probably gonna have me destroy the hood. Ow!
I fucking hit my head off the fucking tree.
The fucking like 4-inch cow would be fucking nuts. I don't know if I want it. You got your garage closer?
Oh yeah. See you later, piece of shit.
Sheesh. Squeaky
You can definitely see the fucking cowl on it.
Yeah.
There's definitely a fucking lift to it for sure.
Your mom's back.
Good way to deter the neighbors from fucking open house. That's what they have right there. Don't come here.
Like they want to go around real quick, get some speed. Make sure it doesn't have the speed wobble.
Fucking flies right up. Oh, I forgot the car has a fucking thing there.
Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ! Fucking loud. Fucking hell. Oh yeah, that open house has got to get shut down. Like, fuck this.
Don't move around so much.
Yeah, that was only like 20 miles an hour, and I think that you have a really bad exhaust leak, but hey, we always do the speed limit in the neighborhoods and everywhere.
For real. Me in Mexico. Shouldn't have to park on the street so you can bring your car up.
Oh, it don't matter. I'm not worried about it. I'm not going nowhere. It's a piece of junk. So I'm gonna do is steal the cats. Watch it get stolen.
Oh, it works.
I'm not completely fucking retarded.
Sometimes we are, but I just hate that it's chipped right here.
Yeah, that sucks.
See what they say. Alright you guys, it's the next day after me and my boy installed the CERVINIS GT500 style 2020 hood, and man, I gotta say, even though it came damaged, like I showed you guys in the corner over here, I'm gonna see what they say. It's really, it sucks that it came damaged. It's not too bad though. Like thankfully it's nothing like on the main part of the hood, because you don't really see that all that much. And man, I love the way this hood looks. And I know the paint match isn't perfect. Obviously they didn't have my car to paint match it to, but it's better than nothing. Until, because eventually I do plan on getting the car fully resprayed, because there is some issues with it. Definitely my fender, if you guys can see, it's like clear coat starting to peel. It's just, you know, OEM Ford paint sucks and it has a lot of issues. And yeah, I'm not too worried about the color, because honestly you notice it a lot more on video than you do in person. When you're out like in the light in person, it's not that noticeable. The camera seems to pick it up a lot better from here to here. And yeah, I don't think it would be horrible if, you know, this fender was in a lot better condition, but I got a lot of paint issues with my car. If you can see, like even here, it's just starting to fade from being in the sun, and because I didn't have anywhere to park it underneath for a while, so it just sat out in the sun for like 4 years of its life. But this hood's definitely worth it. I am not running the rain guard underneath. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yeah, I'm not running the rain guard underneath. This hood is dope, man, and inside it's definitely bigger than the stock hood. So if you guys are on the fence about getting this hood, it's definitely worth it. And I had CERVINIS paint it, and you know, besides that one little chip in the corner, there's no flaws with the hood at all. The paint's in perfect condition, and I'm super happy with it. And you know, it was either between this hood or the 4-inch cal that they offer. But if I was gonna do the 4-inch cal, I was gonna go through True Fiber and get the carbon fiber one. But everybody, so many people have that 4-inch cal hood. I decided to go a different direction, and since I'm gonna be supercharging this thing, that vent behind me is gonna release a lot of heat from the engine bay. And you know, it's a dope hood, man. I love it. Definitely worth it. So you know, this is where I'm gonna end the video. If you guys have made it this far, I appreciate it. And if you would like, comment, subscribe, there's gonna be a lot more content coming at you guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.